over here in the down, the upsert is not there. Are you getting? Previously in your, you can see over here, we wrote it in the last end, that is called upsert, right? Isn't it? But over here, when you can see properly, over here upsert we don't have, isn't it? So what is exactly the difference? If there is no record with the name Lassie, then Lucy, then what happened? Nothing happened. No new record is added. Are you getting? That is, I said exactly in before that also. What is the upsert meaning? If a condition is matched, then it will be added. If not matched, then it will be added, isn't it? Okay, again understand upsert meaning is what? Upsert meaning means if suppose you are putting something condition, if the condition is not matched, then it will be added extra data. Okay, are you getting? And if you don't have the, if you're not writing to the upsert, then it will be not added. It will be leave it as it is. Are you getting? Okay, let's go. So that is exactly the stuff. Right now, upsert, if you are using upsert, you can see over here that I already wrote it. Right now, next step we have to the update many documents. That's also we done previously. You know, whenever you want to be update a lot of documents together at a one time, isn't it? Documents means what? Your data, right? That is same. DB student update many, where I have to the grade B. I want to remark what? Good performance, isn't it? That is also done. You can update operation. See, there are another also, I put it, I learned that increase value of many documents means, you know, if you want to be increase a value in any document, you can increase also. How you can increase? You can use a update operations means, you know, there are update operation I use. See over here, dollar in means what? Increase. And then what happen? Your age will be increased by 1. Are you getting? So you can use that one also. Add a field to all the documents. You know, if you want to be add extra field, so you can directly use to the DB student update many. Over here. Don't put it you know, blank one. Why the blank one you are putting? Because you don't want to be select any specific data, right? So you will be put blank one means I want to be randomly select a data, and everywhere I want to put as a status as active. You don't understand that? Let me show to the example. Right now, you know, guys, we have to the one data is present, that is called Peter one, right? So I'm not using to the, I want to select only the Peter. I will be a randomly whatever I have the data present, I want to use for everywhere as an active status. Are you getting? So what happens? Simply we need to be write db dot these things will be happening right now. db dot students, I want to be dot insert or update. I want to be update, right? So I want to update many, M is capital, many. Okay, many, update many. What I want to be update? I want to update inside of that. First we will put a empty bracket because I want to be for all purpose. Okay, so let's do that. Bracket open, bracket close. Okay, then after we are using to the comma. Okay, now then after what I want to be set? I want to be set over here, bracket open, bracket close. Okay, see over here, I'm going inside of these curly brackets. I want to be a dollar set. Okay, dollar set what? I want to be say that this one is activate. See, dollar set. Okay, then after what? I am creating another curly bracket and I want to put to the status as a active. Okay, curly bracket open, curly bracket close. I know it's going down again and again. You can close also your shell and you can again also open. Okay, status, I want to be a put active. Okay, see, I done. Oh, by mistakenly I wrote to the outside. Okay, then I want to go inside and status active. Let's check. Status is active. Now what happened? Everyone will be the active. Enter button. Now check it. Acknowledgement, only one match can get, and modify with the one. If you can see to the data, if suppose I want to see the document inside of your collection, what we need to be write? db dot collection node. Our collection name is what? Student, right? So student, 1 second, it is going down only again. Students. Okay, dot after find, isn't it? Right now hit enter button. See, isn't it? Is it active status is coming? If you have the multiple data is present for everywhere, it is the active will be the come. Okay, so that exactly I want to mean. Right now after letter we have to the returning update document. Means what? Returning update documents means what? Over here you will be find one, and okay, let me check that. What is this stuff? Okay, returning update a document when you are update when you update a data in MongoDB using a command like that update one, update many. By default MongoDB does not show the update document, isn't it? Means what happen whenever you are inserting any kind of data or whenever you are updating any data, it is not instantly showing to the data, right? Isn't it? What is showing? First they are checking that, and after later you are writing to the command that is called find, right? Just we did now, I update over here and again I put it over here db student dot find, isn't it? Rather than you can do at a one time. How we can do? You can write over here db student find one and update. Are you getting or not? So that is you can able to update also, and at a time you can able to find also, means you can able to see also the your record. Okay, many times what happen whenever we are updating, we want to be see the record also back which one we updated, right? So that's why you can use sir, where exactly use we can use, we have to give find command also. But you know, using by find command, if suppose I'm applicable for your student, then all data is there. And think about that, when you have to the 50 to 70,000 of data, all data will be present like a one by one by one by one. So it's a really hard to figure out, isn't it? So what happened whenever you are writing to the command mongodb student, and then you know one update, right? Isn't it? That is your previous command. Rather than you can write db student find. Find means what? I want to be a find also, and even I want to be update also. When it's updating, instantly it will be showing to the down. Are you getting? So let's do that also. If you want to be see, means you know, just we are adding extra data. So we are saying that db dot student. Okay, let me close it because it's going down 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 only. Oh sorry, up 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 only. Student, see again it's going. Let me close it. Let me open again back. Mongo sh, enter button. Now let me put to the over here command that is call your mongodb hyphen localhost. Okay, again back your 27017. It's not came. Let me check. 27017. Enter button. Okay, now I want to be switch using by use school. Enter button. Okay, right now I switch. Now you can start db dot your students dot what happened. I want to be find also, and what one only one. I want to one do, because if you are writing many then lot of data will become. And a also capital. Check which one things are capital. Okay, check it over here. One on is capital, a is capital, and the u is capital. Then after I will be create over here the brackets. Then inside of the bracket where I have to the names are present. Names are obviously we don't have the John name is present, then it will be added extra, right? So over here John, no, it will be not added because it's not the upsert. So we will be do one thing, we will be put the upsert also. Okay, so John, obviously we have to the John one person, the condition, then we will be use outside. I want to be a set something, dollar sign. I want to be set. Then after that you are where I have to the you know, grade is A. Are you getting? Where I have the grade A is present. Now everything is right. And then I can say over here, I want to be return document. Okay, document after. Okay, after show update the document, because whenever we are writing over here, it will be show. But thing is what, you know, it will be a not finding, isn't it? We need to put to the upsert also. Why upsert? Because we don't have to the John data is present, condition will be a not match, right? So write the upsert also, so it will be updating, right? If not there, then it will be updating. So what is the we need to be right? Upsert isn't it? Then quotes, then your semicolon, semicolon not colon, and then after again inside, just you need to be right over here, true, isn't it? Let me check. Yes. Is it we need to be use curly bracket? No, I think so. Upsert directly true. Okay, let's hit enter button. Okay, syntax error. See, I think so. We did the mistake somewhere. Okay, so over here the curly bracket. Yes, obviously. Over here open and over here the curly bracket. Perfect. Let's use enter button. Now check it. Null value. But no, I know we don't have the data is present. So we will do one thing. We will create the data, isn't it? If it's not happening. So let's do that. Just if you want to be create the data, we have to the command that is called db students. Okay. I want to be update not insert dot insert one. Isn't it? Isn't it that? Right? Insert one data only. I want to add data, which one is present. So for a time, I don't have the time. So we will do one thing. I will be copy John over here. Let's go. Let me paste it. See John done. And let's add to the another data. Okay, enough. I think so. John is there, then it automatically updated. Are you getting or not? Okay. So John, let me add only the John and hit enter button. See, John data is insert, right? I just created as a John only. Then it will be, if I am using this all command, it will be run. Check it. So right now I do not need to take to the upsert because I already have the record is present. So I will be take only this much. Control C copy. I will be paste over here db student dot find one and one name where we have to the John. I want to do that and don't forget to the your this bracket. Okay. So are you getting now? Hit enter button. Isn't done? It's still showing to the null. Why it's null? Is it I did mistake somewhere? Let me check if I'm taking as it is from over here copy. Okay, and then again I'm going over here paste. Okay, see right now it's updated, isn't it? Because maybe I did a mistake somewhere whenever we are writing to the code. Right now, see, I wrote over here db student.find.update where we have a name as a John set to the grade as a and returning to the after. See, whenever we are doing that, instantly below down it is showing to the record. Are you getting or not? Okay, so that is we are calling that means what happened, we are updating also and same time we are finding that data also. That the same way you can able to do to the before also. Before means what? See over here, a before means what, you this return the document as it was a before to the update. Okay, so after and before we have, then again